Great. We live everywhere. We're rolling. Welcome back to Crypto Lodge slash DeFi Diligence. And the market has been booming. I don't have any tabs prepared. I'm going to cut this video up later as an update. How you guys doing? Hope you're enjoying the gains. What did Bitcoin do? It went even further. 14% in a day and a half. 1 day and 12 hours. Quite an impressive move. Oh, I forgot to share my screen. Here we go. That's better. Let's put me down in the corner. Get rid of this. And there we go. %14 in a day and a half, and still going up. That's not even mentioning Ethereum, which I think Bitcoin's up. Let's see. There was a bit of a sell-off hit, but it just continued pumping. Look at this. Apologize for that truck outside. Let's see, from wick to wick, ETH was up 72% in almost 17 and a half days. It's currently up 68% in 18 days, just about. That's not the most impressive. Let's look at Aave. Let's look at Luna. Let's look at Solana. Let's look at Theta. See what it's doing. Let's look at Phantom. Mirror Protocol. It's a Luna altcoin and ANC, Anchor Protocol, not to be confused with Anchor. There we go. Let's get the KuCoin chart. There we go. Anchor's impressive. It always gets these crazy high wicks up. Look at that wick is from its current price. Jesus. From its current price, it wicked up 15% in a second, in a minute. Ridiculous. I'm super bullish on Anchor, and it has quite a way to go. Let me turn these off. Anchor guarantees 20% APY. AnchorProtocol.com. It is a Luna altcoin. 20% APY guaranteed forever. Mirror Protocol is also great. Let's turn off these indicators. But I do want to look at the Ethereum. The Ethereum curve. Not the month, the day. This chart doesn't go back long enough. Let's go to Binance. KuCoin. There we go. That's better. It's still not going back far enough. That's good enough. Anyway, it shows the first peak into the red. We didn't make it there yet this time, but we should. And especially with ultrasound money now, look how much ETH has been burned. Where's that website? ETH burn tracker. Watch the burn. There we go. This isn't the one I'm thinking of, but hey, shows the burned ether. We're burning current session. Total burned 7,212 Ethereum. And that's in just the last day. It just got started. So ETH is deflationary now, and it's about to pump like crazy. Protocols like Aave and Synthetics and Chainlink are getting into interoperability. And everything's at a crazy pump, especially Luna. Let's pull this back to the 4 hour or the 1 day. Reset the chart. Luna's over halfway back to its all-time high. I've been preaching Luna on this channel for over a year. And you might say this channel's not a year old. I had a channel before this. It's up 259% in the last 76 days. And the run up it had before the crash was looking a lot like this. So if that can stretch, if that can stretch the same amount again, that will make a new all-time high. We're gonna start seeing new all-time highs soon, unless this bill in Congress crushes crypto. It's not. How could it pass? The language in it, if you read it, it says basically you can't hold crypto unless you're a broker. Well, a broker needs to hold your crypto for you. You can't. So dexes are screwed. Let's look at Solana. Solana's been pretty volatile, up and down and up and down, and it was looking like it was continuing down, lower lows, lower highs, but we broke that. Could just be a fluke in the matrix. I don't know. Take caution. Take caution because the government could pass that and things could get crazy. Let's look at Theta. Still far from its all-time wick. %130. That's not a bad move. 98%. let's just say 100% in 15 days. Not bad for Theta. That broke the downtrend. Well, not really. It needs to go a little higher. And Phantom. I can't stress Phantom enough. Phantom's the project. Phantom is the project that's slept on. Look how much it's slept on. Look how far it is from its all-time high. Although it did come up 75% in 17 days. But we're still far from its all-time high. Phantom's being slept on, and they're all about interoperability. We need to go up 239%. That's a 3.4x just to get back to its all-time high. Phantom's going to explode soon. Not financial advice, just financial opinion. It's my assumption. Assumptions are dangerous, though. Look at these straight up wicks Phantom had before the crash. All we need is one of those, two of those. Little pullback. And then another one of these. Boom. Off over $1. Phantom's headed over $1. Still pretty low market cap, relatively. But the low cap gems is the let's see, I don't have them pulled up. ANC. Yeah, I do. ANC and MIR. And ANC has just been suffering. But it's the greatest protocol. Everybody wants Luna. Luna's going up because of ANC and Mirror. And because it's a great protocol. But it has changed to an uptrend here. Even when Luna, where is it at here? Even when Luna had a 75% correction in 6 days. Is that where's the wick go? Okay. 75% correction. So the underlying asset of the Anchor protocol, which gives you 20% APY forever, no matter what, you just deposit your stablecoin, your decentralized UST, and you get 20%, period. Always. Between 19 and sometimes up to like 24%, but never below 18, 50. Like, I don't know what their lowest is, but it's never been below 1850. Maybe it dipped a little below 19. Anyways, even when the underlying asset, Luna, dropped 75%, Anchor maintained a 19% APY. So that just goes to show. And look, Luna's back up over halfway to its all-time high. And I bet there's a buy signal on this right now on all people's trading charts. These are the altcoins that are going to benefit from Luna's ascent. Anchor Protocol, anchorprotocol.com. Don't get it confused with Anchor, ANKR. It's not the same. And MIR, MIR. and we're gonna shoot way above this band. This band is gonna change. They're gonna have to. It's the date is gonna change now that EIP is. I read that we're burning. How much are we burning? How much ETH has been burned? ETH burns 36. So per hour. I read per hour earlier. It told here we know, yeah, 395K worth of ETH per hour. At current burn rates, 2.3 ETH per minute, or 600,000 is going up in smoke. That's beautiful for investors, for speculative investors who want to get in. ETH is going to hit higher price targets now because of this, much higher. And as these 2.0 things start to roll out, we're going to see Ethereum start playing ball with this. They have been playing ball with cross chain. Speaking of cross chain, what is it called? It wants to bring all chains together. Forget it. But Phantom, it's gonna look something like this, in my opinion, and that's some sweet old gains. And it's a mid cap. No, it's low cap. It's low cap. So that's 4.8x, almost a 5x. Theta's got a ways to go to its all-time high. Solana's halfway back up there, baby. Solana's a great protocol, and it's not going to show any green weeks anytime soon, I don't think. Speaking of green weeks, everything. We had this huge drop, but we've been getting some great weeks on everything. Great weeks. From wick to wick on Aave here. Let's scroll in. Is that it? No, it goes higher. Hold on. There it goes. Wick to wick. Aave went up 80% in 14 days. Had the biggest wick this week so far. Week's not over. Almost. Not almost. We could do a lot. So Abe is actually beautiful. I don't know where this is coming from, but let's see. It's only 11,000%, 20,000%. Abe actually did a. Where's the info coming from? Let's go to Aave USD trading view. Back to the beginning of Aave. Coinbase? No, just listed it. Binance. Turn that off. Let's see. Did they just list it or something? That's 2017. Okay, this is. I've already pulled 80,000% in a year. That's 226,000%. That sure is. 226,000% in 2 years. Not even 2 years. 60 days shy of 2 years. And still up. This doesn't even look like barely a dip if you bought down there. I posted a video about Abe December 2020. Where's that? Late to it. But still, if you bought then. Yep. 5x. No, 4.5x. Not bad, not bad. Everything's gonna keep going up. You historically, you're better off being long on crypto than short on crypto because there's just more. It goes up. It doesn't go down. All the good ones. Look at this. Look at these gains here. 410% in 77 days. 5.1x. And Solana. If you had bought, go figure, December 28th, 2020. You're up 1,618%. Peak, you could have sold at 2,439%. Crazy gains. And these are the coins I've been talking about for over a year. Solana, Luna, Phantom, Theta. ETH is now in my. I want to buy all the dips. Now that EIP actually went through without hitch, I'm going to keep an eye on it. Waiting for it to dip. It just made a huge run up. But it's probably going to run up to this line here, wherever it may be. So 4,500. Bounce back down. I don't know when the dip's coming. Nobody does. Let's look at Bitcoin dominance. Coming up. That is volatile. But coming up. That's just the 5-day. It's on the monthly. On the monthly, it's coming up. 5-day coming up. Made a big jump from August 21st to now. ETH dominance. Coming up on the year. Not on the day. Coming up on the 5 day. Coming up on the 1 month. Coming up on the 3 month. Coming up on the 6 month. Coming up on the year to date. A lot from 10 to 20. Doubled in a year. ETH dominance doubled in the last year. Boom to boom. 5 years, it's making a straight comeback. Ethereum is the universal computer, and they're going to pull off 2.0. Vitalik's a real good guy. We're good. Let's check out the BTC ETH. Or ETH BTC. What's Ethereum doing against ETH now? Let me get rid of the past stuff. Jump it back up on the uptrend. Been on an uptrend forever. This is the weekly, so every one of these bars is a week. Ethereum is coming up against Bitcoin. The BTC ETH pair is the inverted. Ethereum's going to flip Bitcoin. Just this week, it was wicked all the way up to here. How far do we got to all-time high? 84%. And what did we just do? In a little less than 2 years, 370%. So 84% is nothing. All eyes are on Ethereum. EIP was a great chess move. In there like swimwear. Aave is so bullish. Aave already put in 80,000% in a year. And it's still going up. What's this? Get up there, get up there, get up there. What's this? Oh, that's wrong. It did not go up 208,000%. And yeah, it did. Yeah, it did. In a couple of years. If you go to Coinbase, Aave, it'll show you what it did in a year. It was 80K. Now it's 71. It was 670. So it was well over 80K. It was like 200K profit in less than a year. Less than a year. Aave is an incredible protocol. Still 4 billion market cap. While Ethereum, market cap of 400 billion. So it's 10x. And Cardano. So get Card Starter. See what kind of projects are coming up. There's a token for Card Starter. Where's the projects? BitBoy. Coin Ventures. Lot of Orion. That's the one. Look at this. Orion. I'm so bullish on this. ORN. Orion Protocol. Oh, under 200 million market cap. Check out this website. Where's the terminal? The Orion terminal. It brings all. It brings eight. It brings all the blockchains together into one. Come on, open the terminal. Trade now. It brings all the blockchain. It's all about blockchain interoperability. The first decentralized gateway to the crypto marketplace, trade across major exchanges, centralized and decentralized, from the safety of your wallet. No account, no KYC. This is beautiful. It's the most beautiful thing I ever. This is gonna work. This is gonna work. So that's ORN. You could trade anything cross chain. How many chains are they working with now? Trading in BSC, with dark mode, light mode, add wallet. So I can add my MetaMask wallet or whatever wallet you got and start trading on many chains. It's quite the, and they just partnered with Cardano. They partnered with Avalanche. They partnered with uh, what you might call it, Elron and Phantom. They're partnering with everybody. Add that to your watch list. It's so cheap in market cap. Not financial advice, but putting $100 in and forgetting about it on your hardware wallet for 2 years. Think about the potential. Let me no. All right. Cardano upcoming projects. They should be listed on cardstarter.com. I don't see why. Ultra sale money. That's ETH. Look at how bullish it is. On most exchanges, it had 13 days in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Then had that one red. Then we got 3. Probably going to end 4 bullish days in a row. And the top was not far from here. I think ETH can break 3,000 tonight or drop. You know, you know, it always drops when it goes up crazy. Let's look at Bitcoin. On the 15 minutes. See, it was going up nuts. In an hour, it went up from wick to wick. In an hour and 15 minutes, it went up 8%. What's the market cap of Bitcoin? Basically $1 trillion. $1 trillion asset went up 8.26% in 1 hour and 15 minutes. And then dropped the same. Took longer, but dropped the same amount. So that was a crazy spike. Congrats to those who took those profits. What's up, guys in chat? Mike does. Dark Street Wolf. The One Matrix.
What's up, guys in chat?
Yeah, fuck. 1 second. New channel, I gotta change. Sorry, guys, I gotta change my account here. If you're watching, hit subscribe if you haven't. There we go. So Mike does. There's your moderator back on the new channel, Matrix. Your moderator back, Dark Street. Your moderator back. All right. Let's see. See, the volume is crazy right now. Ethereum's just on a straight uptrend. The whole market is really. That anomaly for Bitcoin right here was 6% move in like an hour for $1 trillion asset. Blow off top, time to go down. Likely, because if you zoom out, we were on a downtrend. Broke out of it. We kept testing 30. What am I looking at? ETH BTC. Cut that out of the video then. Bitcoin. So $1 trillion asset is up 50% in 17 days. Kabam. $1 trillion asset is up 15% in 1 day, in 2 hours. Get cards, Uniswap. I don't know, man. Where's the projects at? Apply, roadmap, token, feature, subscription, team, about. Where's the projects? Upcoming Cardano projects. Cool. There's Garo wallet. Let's see. Garo's a good one. It's basically Trust Wallet on Cardano. And Garo coin market cap. I like Orion better. Ethereum's killing it. Alchemy Pay. That shit went up. That shit went up untold amounts of money. Anyway, what was I? Oh, Garo. I got an Ethereum token for now. Down, down, down. Because it's not, I don't know. Unreported market cap. Whatever. Orion protocol. That's the place to be. Synthetics. Synthetics is the place to be. Synthetics is going to make a lot of gains. What's the market cap on synthetics right now? It's not enough. It is not enough. 1 billion. 1 billion. Ethereum's 40 billion. Or 400 billion. Yeah. 400 billion. And this is derivatives. Where's the app? We got all sorts of things to trade here. Anything you can think of. Since our derivative tokens providing exposure to a range of assets, they can be traded with infinite liquidity and zero slippage by leveraging the Synthetics protocol's unique pooled collateral model. Trades between synths generate a small fee that is distributed to SNX collateral providers. Equities: Tesla, Google, Facebook, Apple, Netflix, Amazon, Coinbase, Microsoft. These are some that you can buy with leverage on synthetics through decentralized crypto. It's amazing. Oil, gold ounce, silver ounce, Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB. These are all the crypto currencies they support. You can go long on. It's amazing. Synthetics is great. You could build on it. You could stake on it. Governance is solid. It's a solid project. I've been recommending it for years. I like Orion. I like anything cross chain. So Bitcoin hasn't stopped yet. We're on the hour chart here. And although it took a little dip, it's in price discovery as far as local highs go. You know, the next real high is this one. And that's a ways away. If we can, if we can hold the if we can hold the 20-week, bounce off it. Let's say we're in bullish days, bullish weeks, sure. But with the infrastructure bill looming, I don't even know what that's all about. Infrastructure bill, crypto. I'm going to view all and sort by time, see what's happening right to F now with this. This has to get thrown out of the bill. How could it pass? So even if you want to hold crypto, you gotta be a broker. You got a license as a broker. 1 hour ago, Senate set for key vote. Despite crypto clash, The Senate is on the verge of handing President Joe Biden a major victory by passing a $1 trillion bipartisan infrastructure bill. It's a bill that would end years of gridlock in Washington and create good paying jobs. Where's the crypto part? A clash over cryptocurrency rules. The $550 billion in new spending in the infrastructure bill is financed in part by new IRS reporting requirements for cryptocurrency brokers, which are expected to raise $28 billion over 10 years, but Senator Pat Toomey and others have sought to narrow who would be subject to new reporting requirements. You and I would be subject to those would be we would have to register as brokers to custody crypto, hold it. Warning that the text as written could have a chilling effect on the development of crypto mining and software. Miners would have to register as basically it's ridiculous. An amendment being pushed by Senate Finance Committee Chair Ron Wyden would reportedly limit how the new rules would be applied, but the White House pushed back on the proposal, saying Thursday that it prefers a competing amendment from Senator Rob Portman and others. That measure would exempt more players in the cryptocurrency world, the reporting requirement, but still isn't as broad as the proposal from Wyden, Toomey, and Loomis. For more details, blah, blah, blah. Phew. I don't know. I mean, can they pass such a crazy like they don't even understand how crypto works. If you read the language of the bill, the author of that section of the bill that was snuck in doesn't even understand how crypto works. You can tell. Well, I'm all about interoperability. Those who are subscribed to my channel know that I've been talking about that forever. Ethereum is all the interoperable blockchains are backwards compatible with Ethereum. So Ethereum, especially with EIP, it shows that the Ethereum developers can come together and make a decision that the miners are not happy with, which shows that 2.0 can roll out. They can make these changes, and these changes can be successful. It's difficult. 2.0, Ethereum 2.0 is proof of stake. They've already started. You can stake ETH for 2.0. It's already being developed, and just the deflationary effect alone is what I think is pushing ETH up there right now. I was sure it was sell the news. And it was at the moment of VIP. But then it just continued pumping, 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 pumping. And now it passed all previous highs here. So we'll see what happens. I expect a correction back down. All euphoric runs have one. This one did. This one did. This one did. This one did. Might be choppy. Or it'll just keep going up. Or it'll just keep going up. But our top was fourth. 1,365. This Garo wallet, it's like Trust Wallet, small market cap still. They got a ERC20 token for now. Once Gogan launches, you'll be able to swap 1 to 1. That's about it. That infrastructure bill, Monero. Great. Great, 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 great. Maybe it pulled back. It was doing no. It's doing great. Monero is halfway. No, it's not. It's got a long way to go yet to 518. Basically 100% gain. Back to all-time high. I noticed Monero pumped like crazy as soon as the news came out about the crypto thing being slipped into the infrastructure bill. I imagine if some crazy regulation were to pass, Monero's going to pump like crazy. But on the hour, it does match the Bitcoin chart, so pretty well. Any hoozle. EIP worked without a hitch. Burned. Let's see. See how much ETH has been burned. There was another site that was better than that one. There's a website. ETH burning tracker. Watch the burn, that's not it. Reddit probably has it. Watch the burn. No, that's not it. Maybe it was the site, but they updated it. Yeah, it's burning so much ether, it's not funny. $500,000 worth of ETH per hour. 395K of ETH per hour. And that's going to go up as usage goes up. $10 million of ETH destroyed since London launch, and that was a while back. Ethereum burn tracker. Is that the one? Look at that. There we go. Let's watch the burn. There we go. Ultrasound.money. That's it. It's the one. 7,399,000 ETH have been burned. Burn leaderboard. OpenSea's burning the most with their transactions. Axie Infinity is up there with the highest transactions, but OpenSea itself from NFT sales have burned 675.57 ETH. Great. Let's look at the 7-day. No, not the 7-day. I guess 7-day. It's been alive for a couple days. So OpenSea, since EIP launched just a day ago, has burned almost 1,000 ETH in transaction fees. Uniswap half that. COVID punks half that. COVID punks. Axie Infinity, little less than, that's half that. Tether transactions is a third of that. Uniswap V3 and MetaMask swap router and USDC. So it's going up. Proof of work removal in 2022 here. So here's the. So where are we? 2021, right here. So London burn phase lasts until January 19th, 2022. Not too far from now. Proof of work removal. So ETH 2.0 is coming now, basically, at the end of the year. Kaplow. If you're still watching, yeah, this has to pull back sometime. Not a time to buy ETH or Bitcoin. I'm waiting for a dip to grab more ADA too. I'm waiting. I always keep half your stash in USDC to buy the dips. What is this, ADA? Okay. ADA's been doing great. But Gogan's just launching and we're far from all-time high. Did ADA reach its previous 2017 all-time high? 74% all-time high. Let's go to the weekly. Or did we eclipse it? Yeah, eclipsed. Don't forget the profits. ADA was a cent. 2,284% profits in a little over half a year. And if you bought down here, you're still holding for a little over year and a half. You're up 5,712%. It's great money. Beats the stock market. Average your average 2% on the S&P yearly. So ETH BTC broke out of the downtrend. So Ethereum's coming up against Bitcoin here. And that's enough of that. I think this government bill can't pass. This government bill can't pass. It's not. I don't know. There's opposition to it. It doesn't make any sense. I'm not sure what the repercussions of it would be if it were to pass, but I'm pretty sure the crypto market would take a big dip. Like that's why I keep half my stash in USDC. It's just smart. But this has been an hour. Doesn't feel like it. I'm gonna chop this video down to about 10 minutes probably and upload that as an update. If you haven't subscribed, let me show you this annoying thing again. Thanks for watching. See you next time.